But you have to talk in your big voices. That's too cute. Okay, now make sure, when you read it, guys, listen. When you, woohoo, over here. When you read it, say it nice and loud and say it slowly so the great grandma can hear you, remember, okay? You have to say it loud. Okay, hold up, okay, go.
M is for Margaret.
When?
N is for Mother of 9. A, always caring. R, ready to help anyone. G, grandma of 24 and great grandma of 11 so far.
R, rich with knowledge of bread making, baking, healing, and jam making.
A, always young at heart. E, everyone is welcome to her home. T, the best mom, grandma, and great grandma that we can ever ask for.
Okay, now you can put them back on the bottom there. Oh, she's got one.